Grassy 6. Good old statue. For whatever reason, statue is very, very prevalent. So when you heal things, as you notice those little hearts fly around, and they heal stuff. So it's all good. When you merge things 5, you get double, which is all a happy thing. And so basically, you know, if you've watched some of the earlier episodes, you know what I'm talking about. I want to get to the point where I can just reach the goal. And at this point, I'm having to heal just a little bit more than I have in previous ones. So we're going to get these guys healing, 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 so that we can get some space happening. Excuse me. And just working on trying to get one more statue healed. Oh, there we go. So I don't need to do anything else. There we are. We're done. You should open your chest and collect them. It's usually money or bricks, and money and bricks are always a good thing.